Tia with Lunar Sun Creations. I'm here today with a project share for you. This is a baby album that I made for a family member who's having a baby. Congratulations to you both. Can't wait to meet the little one. So I kind of used the Imagine tutorial page designs, but I modified them quite a bit to kind of make them do what I needed them to do. So it's roughly based on the Imagine tutorial. Thank you to everyone who purchased a tutorial in August. At the beginning of August, I put out a video about Imire, a conservation project that I had worked on in Africa back in 2018. If you haven't seen that video, please, I'll link it in the description box below. Please go check it out. So everyone who bought a tutorial in August not only supported me, but also supported Imire, because I was donating a third of every sale to Imire for the whole month of August. So thank you so much. And lastly, for everyone who has been asking about a new tutorial, there is one coming. I have been working on it. There's a lot going on in life right now, and I'm going as fast as I can. I'm not giving myself a deadline because I don't know how long it'll take, but I am moving as fast as I can, so look forward to it. It will be using the ocean blue paper from Graphic 45, if that helps anybody out, if you want to get that paper and get prepared. Alright, but that's all I have to say. I'm just going to show you the album now and stop talking. I'm trying so hard to make my intros short, but blah, 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 blah. I'm a talker. I like to talk. Okay, I love you all. I hope you're well. Be safe and find your rainbow and be kind to one another. Really need to remember that. Everybody needs to be kind. Okay, love you all. Hugs. Bye. Okay, so here is the baby album. On the front, I have this so you can pull it out and put a picture of the baby on the front, so then it would slide back in here like this. So this is kind of just a placeholder picture right now. That goes in there like that. And then on the spine, I've got another little frame photo, so I figured this one you could put the name of the baby and the date or something like that. The spine is pretty big. It's a 6-inch spine because I wanted there to be a lot of room for both photos and journaling for every single month of the baby's first year. And then super adorable little elephant on the back. It's one of my favorite images ever. I just love it. And when you open it up, okay, so the very front cover, I left it pretty simple, just a nice coming home photo can go there. And on the first official page, opens up like this, and right away there is one of those twist and fold cards, and I stamped it before I put it on and realized that I accidentally put it on upside down. I mean, it works and it doesn't really matter. The photos are going to go here anyway, but I put the stamp on upside down. So that closes up, and then it opens to the side, and then this opens to the side, and this is a large pocket, so it's got a spot for birth announcement, or brand new photos, pregnant photos even, story of how I was born, first family photo, and then eye color and date, birthmarks, all that kind of jazz. And then the giraffe on the back. And then that all opens up, and this is where you can write down all of the firsts, first night of sleep, bath, haircut, tooth, all that kind of stuff. And then that also opens up, and then here is a spot for a family tree for on the mom side and family tree for on the dad side. And that's all the first page. And on page 2, so we've got a little lion. And you open it up, and at the top it says 1 month old, and it's hard to see, 1 month old, date, height, weight, all that kind of stuff. And then this opens down for a spot for a photo, and then the whole thing goes out to the side, and it says my teeny hands and my teeny toes, so places for the hands and feet to go there. And then this opens to the side, and this is a pocket, and just a little thing that says cute and funny things that I can do. And so that opens up, and then this all closes like that with the swing tabs. Matching page 3. I didn't want to make it like either, because I don't even know if it's a boy or a girl, so I didn't want to do like pink and blue and all the traditional things. So I kind of like every page is a different kind of color scheme. I wanted to add a lot of different colors, you know, and not make it very typical boy-girl kind of thing. So a pocket on the inside here, just blank on the back for photos. And then this opens down, and I've got some little wooden arrows here, because I don't think she's a scrapbooker, the person who's getting this, so I wanted to make sure that she understood what things did and how they went. So this is one of the, you know, movable waterfalls with a nice, that giraffe, another giraffe image, baby giraffe there. So I just left these all blank so they could fill them with baby photos. And then the whole thing opens to the side, and there's 2 months old there. So 2 months, and again, each one of the months that says, you know, what month it is, and then the date, the height, the weight, the cute funny things I can do. Each one of these has one for each month. And then this opens to the side, and this says all about me, and a bunch of different nicknames and people say I look like, features I got from mom, dad, etc., etc. Okay, so that is all page 3. And then on the next set of pages, got the super cute little baby rhino, and then that opens, 3 months old info there, and then opens to the side, and then this opens to the side twice. So like that, and no, I didn't leave that open. Alright, and then on the corresponding page, this opens first down, and there's 4 months old there, and then it opens to the side. This as well opens to the side, and these both open that way. So because the baby is being born at the end of August, I tried to make it so that I tried to make it that each month would land with the right holidays on the right months kind of thing. So that whole thing opens that way and like that. And then this is just like another waterfall, not a moving one, but just a 6-part waterfall there. 6 photos can go there. And then the whole thing opens, more spots, and then this is also open for extra photos or cards or whatever you need it to be. And then that all closes up like that. And then the next pages. Okay, so the next pages, so a spot for a photo here, this is left open. And like that. And then this pulls down, and then this is a pocket up here. And then the whole thing opens up. And then this is another big pocket in here. And I've got 5 and 6 months old inside there. Blank on the back. And then on the corresponding page, that same super cute zebra. And some swing tabs. This opens up to the side. And open, and open. Just journaling and spots for photos. And then these as well, both open to the side. We've got 7 and 8 months old there. These are both pockets. Okay, and then on the next set of pages, this is a pocket that I just realized I forgot to put a tag in, so I guess that can be for pictures. And this opens to the side. And I believe there is one more. Oh, that was the other thing. And then it twists. And then that enables this part to open up. And it also opens up that way. And then the whole thing opens up to the side. And we've got 9 months and the first Mother's Day here. So that closes, that one, and then this rotates back into place. And then on the corresponding page, these are backed on chipboard, these little open, kind of like just pull tabs for opening. So they both open like that, but they also open up and down for smaller photos, 4x4 photos. And then these open to the sides. And then this one opens up. This one opens to that side. And then the whole thing opens up. And here we have 10 months old. And we have first Father's Day. And then this also opens up to reveal 11 months old. And more room for photos. And then on the last page, so this pulls down and down again actually. It's hard to see, but there's 2 spots for photos there. So you can put 4 photos in this part. And then this opens to the side and opens, so there's like another spot for another 4 photos there. And then this is a pocket. And when you're old and happy birthday. And so it's like how we celebrated and who was there. And we've got our pretty zebra on the back again. And then over here is just more room for birthday photos. This is left open for a pocket. So just a little, any end notes that you wanted to say, or maybe write a letter to the baby and put it in here. That would be kind of cool. And that goes in there, and just some more spots for either journaling or photos. So that is it. It is quite a big album, but I think that is perfect because, you know, you always seem to take the most pictures in the first year of a baby's life, I feel. So there is lots of room for mom and dads to put their precious memories in here, and I think it turned out super cute. I'm in love with the these digital downloads that I got. I'm gonna have to look up the name of the Etsy shop that I got them from, but they were really, really cute. And yeah, hope you're having a great day. Big hugs, sending you lots of love. Bye.